What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to episode 2 of Cutting Hair With. Today we're cutting hair with grass shears. These are almost like head trimmers here. These things are friggin' sharp. I did a test cut on this thing and yeah, it's gonna slice his hair right off. So I'm going to wash the hair, get it ready. We're gonna start cutting and follow along. All right, so I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Because these are grass cutters here and I'm thinking about how, you know, the hair, I can make it like grass. I'm thinking to myself, say this is the ground and this is the grass, but it's growing obviously the upside down the other way. So here we have the grass cutters, and again, don't try this at home, folks. Do not try this at home. So let's see here. So let's go in. Now I'm trying to try to do this with one hand. Let me make sure I have a good grip on these things right here. Let's see if I can. Let's go. Okay. Not bad. Got to get a solid grip on these here. Man, these things are friggin' sharp. So right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the base right here. I'm literally cutting. Man, I'm cutting better with these freaky tools than I am with my regular shears. This is crazy. All right, so not too bad. Where's this? Okay, this side's a little bit longer here. Okay. Let's spin this head around. This mannequin head's actually pretty damn heavy. Ah, there we go. Now I can see it. Okay. Getting a little bit better now. Do you think I could try this with, if you're watching this, would you let me try this on your hair? Trust me, with all the people cutting hair with fire and swords and all that crap, I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, let's see what this did. Yeah, so what that's gonna do, that's gonna leave all this wispy and crazy looking. All right, so let's put this mannequin head right down here. Again, do not try this at home. These are very, very sharp. I have no idea why the hell I'm even doing it. All right, so let's brush through. So what that's done, like it would in any kind of haircut, it's actually created a lot of layers in through the top here and the interior shape, and it's left everything really, really wispy. So for all those people who want a haircut tutorial on how to get like a real crazy 70s or 80s kind of shag, this is it. We have a shag right there. There's all the length. All right, now let's take these again here and let us attempt. Let's spin around this way. Let's go in right here. Actually, right here. Okay. I'm not using a comb on this. I'm just literally piecing it down and going by eye. Okay. So it looks like we're going to end up with kind of a shaggy type looking haircut here. All right, let's spin this around throughout the back. Bring the head down this way a little bit. There we go. Okay. So let's see if we can get this in one nice chomp right here. Not too bad. I'm telling you, I may cut hair with this from now on. I'll be honest with you, this seems a lot easier. This is crazy. This literally is crazy. I better end up on television one day at some morning show doing this. All right. So we've got that side done. Now we've got to connect this side. Let's see if we got it here. All right, let's see what we got. I'm telling you, not too bad, not too bad. Okay. So let's go right down to the front here. Don't cut someone's nose off. All right. So here I'm just literally working the blade down. And, oh man. Notice I'm not using my hands to hold the hair at all because I literally want to keep my fingers. Okay, there's that there. Let's bring this down this side here so we can connect this part. Let's see how we can do this right here. Let's go from underneath. All right, so we've got our foundation. Let's see how we're looking here. Lengthwise compared to this side. Let me see what we got. Okay, this side needs to come off right here. Here we go. All right, so now let's try some layering. Okay, again, I'm being very, very cautious with this. There's no gimmicks here. This is real deal, so I'm being very, very cautious as well. You know, excuse me, this is actually cutting, this is somewhat therapeutic, to be honest with you. This is somewhat therapeutic. So as you can see here in the ends, I'm really being careful with my hands that I have the section out and that I'm not cutting within any proximity of my hands or my fingers. So I'm pulling the hair out. There it is, and I'll cut. Because, again, I want to be very, very careful here. So the thing about a hair cutting, really, if you understand shape and you understand balance, you literally can cut hair with anything. Do I suggest going to your hairstylist or your barber and saying, cut my hair with grass cutters? Probably not. But this is definitely a lot of fun. So everyone's probably going to wonder, what kind of haircut is this? If this haircut comes out really, really good, like after I dry it, and you guys are literally asking me, oh my God, what do I tell my barber? What do I tell my stylist? What is this? I mean, honestly, this is like, I'd say like a shag haircut, like a modern shag. And this could be worn for, men and women can wear this haircut. And again, what is this whole series about? This is just for fun, trying to bring some entertainment value to you guys. I literally have over 1,200 videos of haircut tutorials on YouTube. So after 9.5 years, I want to try something different. Big friggin' deal. So I hope you guys find this. And like I said, I want to take this as far as I possibly can. Like, I want to go public with this. I want to take this out on the road. I'd love to be on some sort of like talk show or something like doing this. This is wild. Help me get on Conan O'Brien or something like that, or like Jimmy Fallon. I think Jimmy Fallon would like something like this. Well, here we have it. Now I'm just going to go in for some refining right here. I think this came out pretty darn good. All right, so let's add some texturizing to the hair. Yes, I think I'm crazy for doing this. Okay, and here we have it. Let us see what we got going on here. So yeah, this is definitely like a modern shag, I guess, or could be grunge or kind of like retro. I mean, this is disco almost. I mean, this is definitely a crazy haircut, man. Damn, this is nuts. Let me know what you guys think. Wow, we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, do not try this at home. Only I'm stupid enough to try something like this. But let me know in the comments below what you think. I have some crazy, crazy things lined up. Actually, don't go anywhere. All right, this is just how crazy I am. A friggin' machete. I have an axe Okay, I have a utility knife and the largest pair of scissors I could find. So that's what we got coming up, guys. Let me know if you're excited and think I'm crazy to see these types of videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this. Let's get it out. Like, who knows? Maybe I can be on TV one day doing something stupid like this. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.